Hi. Today we will learn how to switch off Gatekeeper in Mac PC. This is one of the most important tasks before we install any external software in our Mac machine. First we will check from Settings. Then Privacy and Security. Finally come to Security. If you click here, only two options. It means the Gatekeeper is active. But we need another one that is everywhere. So, let's go to Terminal from here to search here. Type sudo spctl master disable as shown. Then enter. It will demand for the password of your Mac PC. Type it and enter. It won't show you code or stars but still type correctly and enter. If it's successfully done, then let's check the security again. Yes, it has anywhere now. Click on it and input the password again. Now you can install any external software and the Gatekeeper won't bother you. If you want to enable Gatekeeper again, then go to Terminal and write this command and enter. The same procedure. So, this is the process of disabling Gatekeeper in Mac PC with command in Terminal. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.